By introducing people to the sport quicker and showing them that climbing is a lot of fun, they're more willing to take the next step, which is to learn how to belay, to learn how to climb more advanced routes, to eventually learn how to lead climb. But it all starts with someone walking in the door on a Saturday afternoon saying, I've never climbed before, what can I do?
Yeah, when you're turning away customers that say, I want to try rock climbing, you have rock climbing, why can't I rock climb? That's a really hard conversation to have with parents and 2 kids at the front desk.
The TruBlue auto belays, because of how the mechanism works, especially with the speed auto belay, whether it's personal training clients or the team, it's not only a convenient tool in terms of their training, it's a convenient tool in terms of their education. We can do things with an auto belay that are very, very difficult to do when you're using like a top rope, for example. So like teaching somebody how to lead climb. They can be clipped into an auto belay and they can also be trailing the lead line, and you can have someone practicing their belaying on the lead line, but you never get into a situation where there's a real lead fall happening.
For your typical trad climber who's looking to climb a big wall, often we're looking to climb these things, these 1,000-foot faces in a day. Typical training routine would consist of climbing a couple thousand feet per day, a couple times a week. And to log that mileage, wherever you happen to live with your daily life of your job and career, family, and limited time, the auto belay at the gym, you can easily log 1,000 feet of vertical climbing in a couple-hour session at the gym.
So if you can go in, clip in, and do as many laps as you want throughout the gym, it's a really effective way to get super pumped. You are maybe going to be hard-pressed to find a partner who wants to belay you for like 10 pitches in a row. It's not really a fun task. TruBlue doesn't care.
I'm a mechanical engineer, worked in aerospace, designed mechanisms in aerospace, and one thing that we always used for damping was eddy current dampers, using the forces of magnetic fields to provide a damping force. And I was totally intrigued by what TruBlue was doing with that same technology on a commercial recreational application.
Auto belays came out in the mid to late 1990s. Initially they came out with friction-based devices and hydraulic devices. In 2009, basically the world of climbing was looking for a better type of device. We developed the TruBlue auto belay, and it essentially meant everything that we wanted to have out of an auto belay.
With magnetics, you don't have any type of touching elements. You just have bare aluminum plates passing through the magnetic field, so you don't have this wear issue that you would with a friction system.
Using magnetics was a way to do the same thing, but not having those sacrificial contact points.
It gives me great confidence knowing that hardware that our customers are clipping into has a great track record. As an engineer and working in a risky industry, you recognize that there's risks in everything we do. Being able to reduce the risks of as much as possible in every aspect is really important. So by having a device that has a proven track record, that has demonstrated field reliability, really, I think, helps me rest comfortably at night knowing that that device is not going to be the thing that's going to cause us a problem.